Welcome everyone. So today we're going to solve a very nice math puzzle. Here we have 21, 32, 17, 71, 8, and then we have something which we need to find out, and after that we have a 0. So now this looks only very tricky. So when you have something like this, trust me, literally 99% of the people could not do it. Now here normally there we'll go from what this to this to this, and we'll try to find a correlation. But if you see, the correlation itself is very difficult. Here the numbers are increasing, here also it is increasing, then it is decreasing, then it is again increasing, then decreasing, then increasing, then what karke. Okay, so yes, it's not going to, this entire thing of following numbers, or rather trying to find the pattern between the numbers in consecutive manner, is not going to make any sense. So now in this case, what you should do, see, whenever you have a sum in which there is a, like, a circle is getting divided into equal parts, there is a very high chance that there is a correlation between the opposite areas. Means we are trying to say that there is a correlation between 21 and 1. Similarly, there is a relation between 70 and 0. Then there is a relation between 32 and 8. Now, if we find this relation, we'll be able to find the answer for this question mark. Now, let's understand how. See, 21, it's very difficult, right? So, maybe this is just individual number, which is what? 1, and 1 is taken over here. 0, so 0 is taken over here. But here we have 2 and here we have 8. So, here we know this is basically 2 raised to 3. And here the first number is 3. So basically what do you say is this entire number becomes your index. So basically 2 raised to 3 over here gets you 2 raised to 3, which is 8. Similarly, let's try and see if the same thing is applicable here. So 70, basically you're doing 0 raised to 7, which is 0. Here we are doing 1 raised to 2, means the first digit is the index of the second digit. So here, over here we have 17. So we'll write 7 raised to 1. So answer for this question mark is supposed to be just 7. I hope this is very clear to everyone. That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.